realm hidden fair from mortal eyes, nestled between the folds of time, lay the enchanted forest of Luminara. This forest was a place of wonder, where trees whispered secrets and rivers sang lullabies. It was here that a young girl named Elira lived, unaware of the magical destiny that awaited her. Ilaro was not like the other children of the nearby village. She had a peculiar gift. She could speak with animals. Her days were filled with conversations with birds, foxes, and even the occasional deer. Despite her unique ability, Lara often felt out of place, longing for something she could not quite name. One crisp autumn evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the forest, Ilara ventured deeper into the wood than ever before. Guided by an inexplicable pull, she found herself standing before an ancient oak tree. Its gnarled branches reached out like welcoming arms. "Welcome, Lara," a soft voice echoed from the tree. Startled, Lara looked around but saw no one. "Oh, who said that?" she stammered. "I am Eldros, the guardian of Luminara," the voice replied. "I have watched over this forest for centuries and I have been waiting for you." "Waiting for me?" Ilara asked, her curiosity piqued. "Why?" "Because you possess a rare gift, Ilara, one that can restore balance to our realm," Eldros explained. "Long ago, a powerful sorceress cast a spell that drained the forest of its magic. Only the heart of Luminara, a mystical gem hidden deep within the enchanted glade, can reverse the spell, but it can only be retrieved by one who speaks the language of all living creatures." Determined to help, Laura agreed to embark on the quest. Eldros bestowed upon her a shimmering cloak that glowed with the light of a thousand fireflies. "This will protect you on your journey," he said. With the cloak wrapped around her shoulders, Ilara set off into the heart of the forest. The path was treacherous, filled with thorny brambles and hidden pitfalls. But with each step, Ilara's confidence grew. She communicated with the creatures she met along the way, asking for guidance and aid. A wise old owl named Orin became her guide, leading her through the darkest parts of the forest. A family of rabbits helped her find food and shelter, while a mischievous fox named Finn offered her his sharp wit and keen senses to keep her safe. Finally, after days of travel, Ilara reached the enchanted glade. The air was thick with magic, and the trees sparkled with an otherworldly light. At the center of the glade, resting on a pedestal of twisted roots, was the heart of Luminara. It pulsed with a gentle, rhythmic glow, like the heartbeat of the forest itself. As Laura approached, a dark shadow loomed over her. The sorceress who had cast the spell appeared, her eyes blazing with anger. "You shall not take the hurt," she hissed. But Ilara stood her ground. "I am here to restore what you have taken," she declared. With deep breath, she called upon the strength of her animal friends. Birds swooped down, distracting the sorceress, while Finn darted around her feet, causing her to stumble. In the chaos, Ilara reached out and grasped the heart of Luminara. A sort of warmth and light enveloped her, and the sorceress let out a wail as she vanished into the air defeated. The forest around her began to change. Color brightened, flowers bloomed, and the air filled with the sweet scent of the renewal. Laura felt a deep connection with the land and a sense of belonging she had never known. Returning to the ancient oak, Laura placed the hut in a hollow at its base. The balance has been restored, Eldros said, his voice filled with gratitude. You have saved Luminara. From that day on, Ilara was known as the guardian of Luminara. She spent her days exploring the forest, speaking with its creatures, and ensuring its magic remained strong.